Hello Bay, Jeff and other guys in the room. So this is gonna be my first video. I'm trying to apply those shadow codes patterns. Year 2001, 4-hour time frame. Swiss franc versus JPY, let's go. So these are the areas off of which the price started falling and tumbling down, right? These are the areas, not the levels, but areas or zones where price bounced off of. So I'm just waiting for the price to hit these levels and see how it reacts there. So here I will probably potentially here I would probably go short in here, right? As the book recommends, structure. Look for the market structure, look for the left side of the chart, right? So here we're gonna see some potential to go short. Let's say let's put it here, right? And we're gonna sell it. Okay, so now we have the order. Oh shit, I just hit my stop loss. Okay, fine. Wow, it actually hit up and above. Wow. So we see there's a double top forming in here. It's probably double top forming in here. I don't know. So we're gonna rebuild this base all the way up to here. So yeah, here the price is reaching again this level, so I'm gonna go short again. Oh shit, stop loss again. Okay, so price has formed a new level. Okay, so here we had another sort of like a base here, right? So if we go short, we should probably, again, I'm probably doing it wrong, but don't take me too seriously. So we should probably go short here. Oh my goodness, just my third stop loss in a row, my god. This was like the market maker here, right? Almost hit my take profit. So we see another base forming here, probably here, right? As this is the zone, the price zone where the price actually bounced off of in the upward direction. Okay, so we're gonna rebuild this down again. So yeah, this is how this zone works. If it reaches this area, oh my goodness, it just shoot over. My god. And then back under. My goodness, I really don't know how to trade this market. It's so volatile. It's year 2001. And really, it's so volatile. So crazy. Probably because of the news here, right? Alright, I'm gonna stop here. Please give me some feedback, guys.